Hi, come read with me. This book is called 1, 2, Buckle My Shoe by Jane Cabrera. 1, 2, Buckle My Shoe. We're hiding on each page of this book. 4 naughty little chicks. Take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, run out the door. Can we find the 4 chicks? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, do high kicks. Oh dear, you can still see me. Better hide around this tree. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7, 8, jump over the gate. 1, 2, 3, 4. 9, 10, big fat hen. A quick cuddle from my mommy hen. Now let's go and hide again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 11, 12, dig and delve. 1, 2, 3, 4. 13, 14, pigs a snortin'. Is our food ready yet? Just a little longer, pet. 1, 2, 3, 4. 15, 16, in the kitchen. 1, 2, 3, 4. 17, 18, all awaiting. We're so hungry. What will the food be? I hope the dessert is just for me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 19, 20, it's a party. So much fun, giggles, and glee. But where, oh where can those little chicks be? Can we find the 4 chicks? Ooh, this one's hard. Rabbit says, close your eyes. Out pop the chicks. What a funny surprise. 1, 2, 3, 4. Party fun and food aplenty. Now count the balloons. 1 to 20. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. The end. Subscribe to our channel and come read with me.